Hey guys, welcome back. I have an unboxing from Your Creative Studio, and I believe this is the March 2023 box. Now it came in one of those like the plastic envelopey things, but it comes packaged in a super strong box and it was all taped up. All I have done is removed the tape, cut the tape from the side. So let's get into it and see what we have. So got a handy dandy box. Some thank you cards, rather nice quality. And then of course the tissue paper, which is super thick and you can totally use it if you like to do art journals and all of that. So let's get these goodies out. Now the deal is you get all of these like little packages and they totally feel like little presents. And that is super fun. So, Blue just came in, opened the door right up. So let's start big to small. Let's do it that way. Oh, it's pretty. Look at it. There's a bee on it. Okay, so this is the Your Creative Studio paper ephemera. So there's 24 sheets. There's sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper, and pattern paper. And it looks like there are 6 of each and they repeat. Oh, that's what they look like. There you go. So let's take a look. You can use them for all kinds of things, obviously. Ooh, that artwork's pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so let's see. First, now they're gonna repeat, but look at how cute it is. So we've got this bee, right? And it kind of, I don't know if it's supposed to be, but it looks like dripping honey. There's stamping, there's text, and these beautiful plants, like leafy bits and berries and all of that. And then this is a book text with this bee, and there's like little hexes that look like part of the beehive or the honeycomb. And then this looks like gorgeous wallpaper with the I don't know, the vines and all the intertwined things. A really nice polka dot, which is always so useful. Okay, now look at this one. We've got a bee up here and a bee here, and this is a little honey jar. And this bee is going in to get some pollen. There's some dots and some drips of honey. Guys, that is so cute. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the 6th one. And you have a whole honeycomb thing going on, deeper tones up here. Look at how big this bee is. Some smaller ones, and then the florals. And then these are the ones, is this the vellum? I think this is the vellum. So we've got all the same patterns, but we've got like the vellum, kind of see-through, kind of not vibe. I think that's so clever. And then we've got, I think this is the sticker paper. There's like a backing on it. How stinking cool is that? So we have those 6. And then finally we have sticker, vellum, art, and then patterned paper. So very cool. So we have, ooh, guys, that has this really nice texture to it. Ooh, that is, oh, guys, you're not gonna be able to get it on the camera, but it has a really nice tactile feel. All right, so tons and tons of the pattern papers. That's my point. Okay, so then, oh, there's sticky notes. So there are sticky notes with these beautiful florals, and it's a cutout of this flower, but I also see like the hexy beehivey kind of things. You know, the honeycomb again. It works best if I just destroy, so let's do that. How cute is the shape of these stickies? Oh, those are going right on my desk. Okay, then what's this? Oh, it's masking tape. What? Let's see. It's all honeycomby. So let's see what we have here. I don't want to get it. So it's like the nicest like tissue paper. And it's got a little bit of a sheen on it. Oh, that's cool. Very nice rich tones on it. Then, what's this? Oh, it's a cling stamp. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm gonna see if I can do it without ripping up the packaging too much, but if it does, it does. Okay, so here we have a stamp. Oh, how pretty. So it's a red cling stamp on this side. And obviously the cling is on this side. So really gorgeous floral with that honeybee right there. Very cool. And then we've got, is this another one? Here's another cling stamp. So I thought we would try to get the stamps open all at the same time, or in a row, not at the same time. Oh, there's a few of them. Okay. So this one, we have got a couple sweet little bees in the hive with a honeycomb. Oh, a little jar of honey and another jar. So two different shaped jars. Oh, so cute. So cute. Okay. Then right here, we have got these circle bits and it reads, be happy, be happy, be happy, be happy. They are a perfect little size on them. It looks like about an inch. Very nice. And they're a little bit translucent. Very cool. Next, what's this? Written memory. So is it like a little book? Guys, you get some of the coolest little elements in these kits. So it's called, it has written memory on here. And we've got, okay, it's like in a little book. Oh, that's cool. So really nice texture again, guys. And it's like book text. It looks like handwriting. And these really nice tones. I love that gray. I'm wearing like a shirt, same color. See, I love that grayish, like neutral. We've got some warmer taupey colors. So they're all of these like handwritten little bits. I mean, you can't really read it, but it's fast. It's like fantastic. Oh, going this way. So cool for layering, guys. Look at that. It looks like my grandmother's writing. It says, my dear something, Sam, I think. So cute. So a little book with, you know, all kinds of text. So you can do whatevs. We have a washi. A washi, it reads. Let's see what's on the washi. Washi. Okay. So we've got a little bit of a sheen on this washi. See how you can see it right there? So you know what's what. My nails are too long right now, so I should be able to get it up. Okay. Let's see. Oh, guys, look at how pretty. With the bees and the honeycombs, and you see the jar of honey on there and the florals. So pretty. Okay, super pretty washi. Trying to not let it get tangled because I don't want to ruin it. It might happen. We'll see how it goes. See how I tangled? I tangled. I did. It's okay. Oh, I fixed. I fix. Okay, so we have all of that. Very nice. What's this? Guys, what is this? Is it a bookmark? It says 3 pieces, Dazzling flowers. What the heck is this? So 3 pieces. Life is a choice. Love is okay. So there's sparkles, right? Like it's like iridescent. Come on out, everybody. So 3. Are they stickers? Are they stickers? Is it 1 piece? What is it, guys? Trying to see if it comes off. I literally don't know. These might be things you cut up because they don't appear to be stickers. So I think you fussy cut them out and add them to your pages. Okay, so let me put it against the black, so much easier to see. So we've got all of these gorgeous florals and a butterfly, and these are in like nice little bouquets. And then what's this one? So these have like vases with florals coming out, really big bouquets. And like, you know, I mean, look at this one. So pretty. And I love the metallic and the iridescent kind of vibe we're getting. And then the last one, really pretty florals, a little bit more close up. Oh, that one looks like an iris. That looks like a poppy. So pretty. So pretty. And like, do you guys see the iridescent vibe? I mean, I know you're getting the shine, but so pretty. Okay, so those are totally different. They're called Dazzling flowers. Very cool. Now this, FLD for Lucky Day, Retro Material, Creative Material Package. Okay, see what we have. So we've got these little papers, right? They're in different colors, like light to medium weight. They have a beautiful texture to them. So they're these cute little papers, guys. These would be so cute to punch out for a layout. Like this one's vellum. There's vellum ones too. There's vellum and regular. Oh, nice leaf print. This one looks more like almost like holly. Very cool, guys. So these are beautiful. We've got butterflies and there's those leafy prints again. Guys, the vellum. Oh my word. Okay, so those are cool. You guys see how they're all these little prezzies? What is this? All right, we've got a little box. It's almost like a Matchbox. Let's see. What do we have? Oh, Amazon is next door. Look at that. All right, so we've got this cute little box, and it's totally like a Matchbox. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at. So they're like little bits. And we can put it right back in our cute little Matchbox. So I'm going to go like this. But guys, you see, they're like little, like cut out stamps and tickets. You know, obviously all matching the collection. There's ovals. This one has a 4 points. Number 6 in that beautiful orange. I like the orange. So there's all of these little shapes and there's like multiples, right? Come apart so you can show. See, there's a couple of each. And somehow they pack so many little bits in chapter. Oh, look at the little circles with the roses. And I mean, so small, but there's like, it looks like stamped little butterflies. Cute. Little tickets. Oh, January. And then it looks like little advertisements. Guys, they're so little. Oh, look at the little wood. Cute little wood. So stinking cute that it goes into this cute little like Matchbox kind of package. Cute. Okay, then what is this big chunker? We have one more thing after this. Okay, it's a big, you've got to be kidding me. All right, I don't even know how, look at, it is so chunky and it's a book. Guys, there's regular paper. There is, look at how beautiful. There's all of these plants. There is vellum in here. Guys, this thing is huge and so incredibly pretty. A cup of tea warms the soul like a good friend. I have a cup of tea right there. Earl Grey hot, yes. So there are countless pages in this cute little chunker book. Look at that. So clever. So clever. Oh, strawberries. Look at this cute, look at the little book. The cute little book. Look at the little spine flower manual. It reads. I just can't. Oh, there's metallic. Oh my gosh, look, dandelions. Chinese skullcap. I can't pronounce things. So cute. Oh, raspberry. So beautiful little book. And then the last thing, and I can't even, it's a bookmark. And, all right, so it shows it like that in the picture. But guys, it's metal. Oh my gosh, I'm like such an avid reader. So I was like, this is so cute. And it's got, let me try to get it off of these bits. There we go. Guys, look at this cute little hive. And then this is the other side with a little flower charm. And you can just pop it right into your book. And it is the cutest darned little bookmark. So very cute. So thank you so much to Your Creative Studio for sending me these gorgeous little presents. I think it is so fun. I think this is my very favorite kit that I've unboxed for you. It is gorgeous. It is lovely. It has the neatest little bits and pieces. I mean, come on. Like, it's a flower manual. And it's this big. It's little. Okay, thank you so much. I will have links down below so you can see where you can get your hands on these goodies. Guys, I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.